Definitely wasn't planning on recording today, but we got a good one. I'm just gonna show you guys about this MS. You can see the thickness of this dirt right here. So I don't want no one saying, "Oh, that ain't dirty. That ain't dirty." Look at this one, Sal.
Oh, I see it. I've seen that thing pull up.
Right, so this is MS. MS, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see MS in its full glory. And I think I have about 4 ounces in here. And I'm just gonna, so we're doing a contact on this one. This one already got the MS, and now it's getting the contact. So I'm gonna hit this with the MS. Here, just so you have an idea. That's how thick it is. I'm just gonna go MS. Then I'm gonna do the contact wash on this one. Then I'm gonna get rolling again, and then I'm gonna show you guys the rinse off. And we're gonna see how good this MS actually is. You can already see some of that dirt moving. We'll be right back. All right, here we go, we're back at it. What you got up there, Sal?
I got the big boy.
Show them how it gets down. Throw it on that windshield. Hit that windshield. Woo! Here, right here, just show them how much it gets. So on that side. Boom. This is that kilo, that large kilo. Damn. And that's it. All right, now, what we've been waiting for. See that? Do you guys see that? Clear line halfway. If I'm a DIYer, I'm using MS and I'm never touching my car. That's what I'm doing. Look at that. The lighting's not the best here, but this is what the hood's looking like before the rinse and then after the rinse. You even have the hydrophobics coming back. That's crazy. I'm telling you, we hit work trucks with this stuff. If it can handle if a work truck can get clean touchless with this, a vehicle can easily. So those people that are saying, "Hey, I tried MS or MS just don't work good," what do you got to say about that, Sal?
Using it wrong.
Yeah,
That's all.
flat out, you're just using it wrong. There's no way you can't use this thing the right way and tell me that it doesn't work. That's just crazy talk. This is the reason why we use it, because it's so effective. And thank you to everybody who has trusted us, because it took us a long time to figure out and how to find something that actually works the way it said it would. And that's why we love KCX, because their stuff actually does what it says it's going to do. It's not just claims. This thing is beat up, man. I don't think I'm gonna have to touch this car. I think we're just going straight into the drying. Look at that, it's getting the tar off, the road tar and everything. Look at that. That is absolute crazy work. Let me put it in my other hand so I can show you guys. Wish I wasn't in the shade. Try to fix it. Yeah, we're not putting hands on this. We're not putting hands on this one. Car's beat up in front. A lot of these are rock chips. Damn. Look at that. Let's check this trunk. This trunk is rough. I want to say it had 4 ounces in there. I had it diluted heavier for another vehicle we were working on for fleet, but then we didn't use it all, so I actually added more water, so I diluted it down more because that was yesterday. So that was actually mixed yesterday. Yeah, we're not scrubbing nothing on this car. Yeah, we got friends now that are DIYers that are like, man, I don't touch my car no more. I don't touch my car no more. But pre-wash, this is a must-have. And this stuff is highly dilutable. And you might be saying, well, I could do that with my Road Warrior. I could do that with my Dark Fury. You can. But that shit's also going to tear up all your trim. That's the difference between high quality raw materials and cheap ones. You don't get that safety. You don't get that dwell time. You don't get that peace of mind. I'm not gonna cut this video off. A little tar back here. Even the tires and wheels. That's left weld enough on there to clean up those tires and wheels. It's satisfactory. We might have to hit these lips. Nope, not even that. The wheels nice, so that grime coming off. Yeah, we're done. Done. Hydrophobic, that. One more time. think I kicked back stuff this way, so maybe one more rinse. That's it. MS. I'll go in with the drying. Oh, damn, Sal dried this one quick. Now he's just blowing out the channels. Like this. One hand on it. This towel does get heavy. So I'll just start up the air compressor. That's how quiet it is. Look at that. How clean that is. That shine. This towel's a beast. You could easily get 2 SUVs with this towel, huh, Sal? This may not be for you little guys though, because this thing has a lot of weight. This large kilo wet holds some weight. You gotta be careful with the dragging on this one too. Now, the bigger the towel, the closer it gets to the ground, a little harder it is to control. Yep. It's really difficult drying this with one hand. Well, I'm doing it for you, for the people. Gotta do it for our people. So let's hear about your guys' MS experiences, because we just showed you ours. And for all you pros out there, stop sleeping. What do you guys say to the pros, Sal, with that ain't messing with MS?
They'll figure it out. They'll figure it out. They'll figure it out sooner or later.
When the price is right, and everybody asks, well, what's your dilution? What's your dilution? Well, how do we dilute this, Sal? Common question, man. What's your dilution? What's your dilution? There is no one answer.
The car is going to tell you what dilution it is.
Yeah. Once you start to get,
will tell you what your dilution is.
ooh, I almost hit the ground. Got my shoe saved it, but we're done with this towel. There you go. MS only. This one got MS and Actifoam. Don't make me hit it with the sealant. Some people over there doubting the sealant, Sal. They're like, man, you polished that with the white car. With the white. It's like, apparently you haven't discovered KCX yet. That's it right there. Boom. When you guys want to talk efficiency and cost per use, and you want to talk how much you're making per hour, this is how you increase that. Just incorporate 2 small things first. First, incorporate that thing to make your job easy, the Article 1. Number 2, get some Clean Korea towels, do this shit quick. And then number 3, get you some MS. That's it. Thank you.